Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Titan, and in this video we'll be talking about a new tripod that I just bought, and its name is Tripod 3110, and I got it from Flipkart for just 350 rupees. So let me tell you about the main features that it has. On the box it says it has a 3-way head, a built-in level, 4-section aluminium legs and a quick lever lock. On this side it says it has total height of 1050 mm and the total length is 350 mm, and it says when it's open it has a total diameter of 345 mm, and this I don't know what it is, so if you guys know, let me know in the comment section below. And lastly it says it has a total weight of 420 grams. On this side we have a picture of the tripod, and this side again we have the features, and on the front it just says Tripod 3110 made in China. So let's get right into the box. When I open it, you can see that it comes with a black carry pouch, and to be honest guys, I didn't expect it to come with a pouch, because at the price point of just 400 bucks you don't expect much from a full-size tripod. So let's just open it, because that's all that is in the box. And here is our tripod guys, and as you can see we got a free mount with it, and at this price point I was not expecting any free brackets or mounts with this tripod, but it was quite amazing to see that they did include it in the box, and the quality of a bracket is also good. So now let's check out our tripod guys, and immediately I can feel that the tripod is quite strong and sturdy, as the legs are made up of aluminium and the joints are made up of plastic, but still they feel quite strong in the hand. And even when I open the tripod, none of the parts are making any noise, feeling cheap, or like everything is quite strong, all the joints are quite strong. And even now, like you can see, I'm opening up the tripod, and what's quite amazing is that we have a level indicator here. Like again at this price point I was not expecting any sort of these features, like that extra free mount that we got or this level indicator. And as you can see, if you turn the knob on the side, you can increase or decrease the height of the top section of the tripod, and again these parts don't feel flimsy at all. You can move the whole top section right or left with the knob over here, as you can see as I'm doing it right now. And to move the tripod up and down, you have to tighten or loosen the whole handle itself, as you can see. And again, the handle is also made up of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy in any way. And on the top section over here, you can see there is a rubber padding for your devices, like if you connect your DSLRs or cameras, so it doesn't get scratched up. That's why they have provided a rubber pad even. And here you can see it has 3 clips basically, which you can open to increase the length of the tripod in 3 different sections, and I'll be showing you the length of the tripod in detail in just a bit. Here you can see I've opened a clip, and that's how the length of the tripod increases, and this is how the tripod looks when it's closed up. And now I'll be showing you how it looks when I open each of the section to increase the length of the tripod. Now here you can see how the tripod looks when I open the first clip to increase its length. And now you can judge it by my height. Like my height is about 5'10", and you can see how tall it is. Now moving on, you can see here I have opened this second clip also, and you can see how tall it looks. And once again I'll be getting up, and from my perspective you can see how tall it has gotten now. And last but not the least, you can see that I have opened all the 3 clips, and the tripod has gone quite a bit tall now, and I guess it can cater to everybody's needs. Like right now I have to put it even above my head to get it in the frame. And now that you know everything there is about this tripod, let me tell you some key points you should know before you buy it. Okay, so firstly, it cannot handle DSLRs with very large or big lenses or video cameras. It is made for mobiles, tablets and small DSLRs, and it can do just that. Anything bigger and it might just fall off. And secondly, you should know that extension legs that come from the third clip are very thin. Now don't get me wrong here, they are quite strong and sturdy, but you have to take extra care for them, as they might break easily. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you could get notified every time I upload a new video. It's Gadget Titan here, signing out.